Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Friday, March 8th, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we got the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading down by 19.5 points to 27.30 per contract. All in all, you're going to see there's a lot of news out here regarding China, and then we got a non-farm payroll report that really came in light. Only 20,000 jobs created in the month of February, so the headline number says. So this is one of the weakest reports in about 17 months, I believe. But either way, you got China falling by 4% last night. I believe it was down 4.4% when it was all said and done, the Shanghai Composite. So again, lots of jitteries, a lot of jitters out there. Lots of markets coming under some severe pressure. Europe under pressure this morning as well. And we've had a pretty good sell-off week to begin with. So let's see how today plays out. But I think traders got to be close to the vest at this stage of the game when you get all of this kind of data. And we'll see the reaction in the market shortly. All right, let's take a look at stocks in the news because we got lots of them out here. We're going to start off with Costco. They reported earnings last night after the closing bell. Stock is flying high. Closed at $216.79. It is now trading at $226.50. So great move there for Costco. You got a lot of resistance around the 229, maybe 230 level if it does get up there. So if you own a trail to stop loss, we'll see if it can hold its gains into the close with all of this dire news that's coming out. But Costco, nice pop this morning. And again, does have a little bit potential upside to around 229. I think that's where you see it stall out. Not necessarily a short there, but definitely a resistance point. Let's take a look here at Big Lots. BIG is the ticker symbol there. Stock closed at $31.84. It's now trading at $35.77. So good move there for Big Lots. We'll see if it can hold its gains today. But nice little pop there. There's definitely going to be some resistance around this 36 level. You can see that's where it's actually stalling here in the pre-market. You ran right up into, I believe, a 100-day moving average. So again, you're going to have some resistance there. After this, the stock can run up into the 39 level, which is around its 200-day MA. So keep that on the radar. Let's take a look at Marvell. MRVL is the ticker symbol there. This stock right now trading at $19.17, basically right where it closed. So no real pre-market activity here, no real movement here. This is right where it closed, but we'll keep this on the radar. They did have earnings, so we want to keep an eye on that. That is a chip play. Next up, we want to take a look at AOBC, which is American Outdoor Brands, the old Smith & Wesson. Stock right now is trading at $10.70, closed at $11.37. So you're definitely seeing a little down ticking there from last night's earnings report. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. I don't really see a lot of downside for this name. Maybe I'm wrong, but if it does fall, watch the $10 level. Next up, we want to take a look at Tilray. TLRY is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $65 a share. This was downgraded, I believe, by Jefferies. So Tilray, which has been really in a sideways trend for a while, coming down pretty sharply, now trading at $65 a share. I really don't love this marijuana stock yet. I know it's getting a lot of publicity, a lot of press, but again, I just don't see much to do in this name at this point in time. Let's take a look at ETSY, which is Etsy. Looks like they were downgraded. Stock is trading at $65 a share, closed at $67.24. So you got a little bit of a haircut here on this downgrade. Again, this stock is coming from a very, very overbought market. So again, not a shocker to see it get downgraded at these highs. I think it's well overdue. So again, a little pullback there in Etsy. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. We'll see if it does give us some kind of an opportunity. I don't see anything right now. Next up, I want to talk about the Chinese stocks. Since the Shanghai sold off last night, let's take a look at the Shanghai Composite and see exactly what it did on the daily chart. So we're going to flip this over to a daily chart. I want to just talk about the Shanghai Composite real quick. And what you're going to see here is that the index went parabolic. So everybody was anticipating a Trump-Xi Mar-a-Lago meeting, and it looks like that date has been postponed, if not canceled. And again, Shanghai tumbled last night down over 4%. But it really even got higher than I thought. This is what we call a parabolic move, and you can see how high it got on the chart. So real big sell-off there. Now, Chinese stocks, Chinese ADRs will be under pressure today. So you want to keep an eye on Alibaba. Alibaba closed at 177 yesterday. Take a look at it here today at 171. Take a look at JD. JD closed at $27.84, now trading at $26.70. Baidu, another one, down at 160. If you take a look at CTRP, down around 38.45. You could take a look at others out here. WB getting hit. You could use the A shares, ASHR. That is getting hit. So all of these Chinese equities are under pressure. And again, that's just due to the big sell-off that took place in the Shanghai. Now, we don't know if there's going to be something coming out, in a week from now saying, hey, the meeting is back on. They're going to sign an agreement. They're very close. It looks like this meeting is off for now. So stay tuned. We'll be looking at a lot more whipsaw with the meeting on, meeting off, signing on, signing off. I really have no idea how it's going to go. But we'll trade around it, and it'll create lots of opportunities out here. So, again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We had an excellent, excellent day yesterday. And, again, with volatility picking up in the month of March, you want to be a part of it, come over, trade right alongside of us, and sign up for that intraday stock chat room, and you'll see everything that we do in there. We should have good action out here today, and I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we'll see you a little bit later on the charts.